guys, today I'm going to give you the review of a new software called Explaindio. Explaindio does is it allows you to create your own videos even if you don't have any idea on how to make a video. Using this you can create doodle animation and whiteboard videos, 2D and 3D animated videos, full motion videos and explainer videos. The technology they are using is called Warp. You get access to easy to use drag and drop creator that allows you to create videos within minutes. It is the only app that has warp technology. You can create your videos in 3 simple steps, that is create, customize and edit, export and share. You can create professional quality videos without any experience. You don't need any special training or experience. You don't need any special set of softwares. You don't need to hire somebody to create your video. You can use it on PC and Mac. You can create and export as many videos as you want. Create multiple animations at the same time, full 3D animations. You get access to 180 plus pre-made text animations, full multi-timeline editing, import videos and images. You can you get access to 600 pre-made animated scenes, over 300 plus fonts included, access to over a million royalty-free images and videos which you don't get with any other software. You also get access to background audio tracks, software, 600 pre-done animated scenes, 500 total sketch images, 6 animated characters, 300 plus fonts, background audio tracks, 500 full HD background videos, access to gated Explaindio user scope. Our business agency, you get 5 users access to 5 users included when you add on 27th of March. There is the customer support you're getting, and you get access to the 30 days refund policy that you would not get anywhere else. If that means if you don't like Explaindio, within 30 days you can ask the owners for the refund. Time updates on new software versions and bonuses. Edition comes with 3 plans: monthly payment, annual payment or one-time payment. I guess this is the best software to create videos on the market right now. So go check this out. Only $37 you get access to software, stock footages, stock images, stock videos. See all of these only for $37 a month if you pay on a monthly basis. For annual basis, $67 per year, and if you want to pay for lifetime, uh, go for $497. First, I'd recommend you to first buy it and try the software for $37 per month. If you like in the first month, then go for annual or $497. That is one-time payment. Otherwise, just leave it. Make sure to buy from the first link in the description. If you buy from the first link in the description, I'll give you an exclusive bonus that will not get anywhere else. Get access to a PDF of top 100 traffic sources for marketers in 2022. Make sure to buy from the first link in the description to get the bonus. How to claim the bonus? Just send a screenshot of your purchase to the first email given in the description and I'll send you the bonus.